I'm going to be doing a transformation makeup today. I'm going to be doing an ABG look. What does ABG stand for? It could be Asian boss girl, Asian boba girl, Asian baby girl is the one that I'm gonna be doing. So what does that mean? Asian baby girl basically is a slang. A slang that means a young Asian woman who displays stereotypical traits such as enjoying clubbing, wearing excessive makeup and tattoos, drinking bubble tea, wearing revealing clothes, etc. I don't know if that's good or bad to say that, but I've seen this trend and I just love it. I think aesthetically it looks really great and it looks amazing and it looks like it's a lot of fun to do. So that's why I'm gonna do it. Not to say anything about supposed so-called Asian baby girls or ABGs. And I got my boba here. Yay. So I'm going to be doing the Asian baby girl ABG look. And I got my boba. I'm afraid I'm gonna finish this before I get to finish the look. Okay, we're gonna put this aside so that we don't finish it before we get to finish the look. And clips in. Okay. So I'm going to do a lot more makeup than I usually do and a lot darker makeup than I usually do because that is what gives that look of being an ABG, and it's still gonna look good, so I'm excited. I'm gonna prime my face now using the Pixie Vitamin C priming oil. I know other people have already done this look, but I look so good and they look amazing and so pretty and it looks really fun to do, so that's why I really want to jump on the bandwagon and also do it. So I'm gonna shake this a little bit more. It usually is in 3 different layers, but once you shake it, it looks like this. It's a really pretty orangey color. Come on, lighting, please be better. Okay. To do a few drops on my face. So I prepped my face. Now I'm going to put a little bit of a corrector under my eyes because my dark circles are pretty bad. I don't get enough sleep. I'm gonna use a slightly peachy color corrector to help cancel out my dark circles. Okay, this lighting is better now. And I'm gonna put some around my dark spots to kind of cancel that out too. So I'm planning to use very dramatic falsies, dramatic lashes for this look, and I also want to do a kind of a nude lip with a nude slash smoky eye look, and with very defined eyebrows. Now I'm going to do the foundation slash I use BB cream, basically a face base, and I use the JM Solution BB cushion, or I'm sorry, BB cream, Glow Luminous Flower BB cream. I like it a lot. I just thought I'd try it out. I got it from an Asian store and I think it works really well. I use a blender, beauty blender, and I spray a little bit of facial spray onto the beauty blender before I use it. So I think that helps the application a little bit more. Makes the application easier, more smooth. So And then I'm gonna pump it onto my hand. Just a little bit. If I need more, I can get more. I just don't want to waste it. So the first time I heard about the JM Solution brand is their sunscreen. They have this stick sunscreen that I saw at this Korean makeup store, and I thought, oh wow, that is so convenient and so easy to use, because all the sunscreens usually you have to get your hands pretty messy, and I really didn't like that. And also wanted to be more convenient, so on the in the stick form I just have to kind of scrape it on and then I'm good to go. So that's how I first tried the JM Solution. I think I need a little bit more. The thing about this BB cream is that because it kind of makes your skin look brighter, and even though it's not exactly what ABG look is, their skin is not necessarily, it's more tan I think if anything, but I don't have any other foundations or BB creams, so this is the only one I have. Well, this is all I have besides another compact, so I'm gonna just use this. I think I need a little bit more, so just a little bit more. It's really hard to look in the mirror and also the camera at the same time to try to blend, do makeup, but okay, so I'm pretty much done blending now. My skin looks brighter, which is nice, but not necessarily the ABG look, but it'll work. A little bit in my neck too. I have some extra, so I want to use all of it. I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna put more under my eyes because your girl does not get enough sleep. I usually like to do eye makeup next, so I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna curl my lashes now when I don't have any makeup on yet, because usually I'll curl it again after I have makeup on, but I want to curl it first so it's easier, because after I put on makeup and then I curl, I don't like to get all the makeup onto my lash curler. It just makes it look, it's taking off the makeup that I put on, so I just want to do it ahead. And this is a really cool eyelash curler. It's a mini kind and it's really neat. It's not a huge one. I know Muji, the Japanese brand, has one like this. It doesn't work that well. Definitely does not work as well as the Shiseido lash curler or the heated lash curlers, but I guess it's kind of cute. Cuteness is 10. 10 out of 10 for the look. Okay, now we're gonna start the fun part, the eye makeup. I'm gonna go with the mauve kind of purplish palette for this look. So it's still kind of neutral, but it's a little bit more mauve. And there are some darker colors in here. I'm gonna go for some darker colors for this look. Here we go. It's gonna be a sultry, smoky look. I like sultry and I like smoky. Okay, it's already really dark. This is much darker than all the looks that I usually do. Doesn't that look really weird right now? Okay, it's gonna get better. Now we're gonna do this. Wow, that is super, super dark. I am excited to see what this will turn out to be. It looks like I have so much makeup on, but then when I close my eye, when I look up, it's gone. It's like that TikTok video. It's just gone. So this is definitely a smoky look for sure. A sultry and smoky look for sure. Very different from the makeup looks I usually do. But I like it. Let's keep on going. I kind of look like I have a black eye right now. Usually black eye is purple really because the bruising, and I just really hope that I don't look like I have a black eye. That'll be kind of funny. They're really pretty colors by themselves, you know. Just together right now I just look like a little dramatic. So far, this is what we have. Okay. I am going to do a pencil eyeliner first and then go over it with liquid eyeliner. I think the eyeliner is also a very important part because usually I want to make the eyeliner very winged. Because I usually don't do that much of a wing eyeliner, but today I'm going to do a very winged eyeliner. Wow, you can't even really tell because my eyeshadow is so dark. You can't really see my winged eyeliner as much. Oh my gosh. Go over it a little bit with the liquid eyeliner. I'm pretty happy with that, and then I'm gonna add some eyeliner on the bottom too. I think this is a really fun look. Alright, we're pretty much done with that, and then I need to do some eyebrows now. The eyebrows need to be very defined. I'm going to try to draw my eyebrow shape to be a little bit different than my usual eyebrow shape. I'm going to try to put a little bit more arch into my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I can't even look at myself. It's so different. Oh my gosh. Okay, that one's a little too thick and a little too dark, so we're gonna lighten it a little bit. Okay, so I think my eyebrows are very well defined right now. They are a little bit overpowering. They're a little bit too dark, I think, but the signature look of the ABG is that they have very well defined eyebrows and they are very filled in and very dark, but I think mine are just a little bit too dark. Maybe the shade isn't quite right, so I'm just gonna lighten them a little bit more. I feel like my eyebrows look like fuzzy caterpillars right now, just sticking just above my eyes, and it's just so prominent. It's just too much. It's too overpowering, I think, but I don't know what to do because I feel like I need to have dark eyebrows for this look. So okay, I think we got the eyebrows to be a lot better. They're better now. So now we're gonna do a little bit of contouring. Okay, contouring in progress. I look really crazy right now. Alright, we're gonna blend. I don't want to use the beauty blender I use for my foundation, so I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend. It looks so different. Wow. Okay, we're done with contouring using the Hoola brown bronzer. This goes well with the mauve colors of the eyeshadow. It's a little bit more red than I thought it would be, but it's pretty. A little bit really goes a long way with this blush. done with the blush and bronzer. Time for eyelashes. I got these super dramatic lashes. Wow. Oh my gosh, they are so... This is focusing. This is not focusing. There we go. Wow, look at that. They look so ridiculously thick and so many lashes. Don't know how this is gonna look on me. I feel like it'll make me look ridiculously different. The glue is getting all over my eyelid and it is not sticking on. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. These are so annoying and dramatic looking. They're sticking onto my eyelid and they're taking off my eyeliner. I think I'm just not gonna do this. That is way too much for my eyes. Way too much. I just look so bad. I'm gonna give it one more go. If this doesn't work, this is not gonna stay. These did not work. They're way too chunky, way too big for my eyes, so I'm not gonna do that one. I have these wispy that I could try. Hopefully these are better luck than those, because that was not pleasant. I am putting the short on first and then the medium one behind it. Done with the lashes. For lip color, I want to do a nude lip. I am gonna be using the Kylie Jenner lip gloss. I'm gonna use the shade Commando. Let's see if it'll focus. It is not really focusing. Well, this is the shade in Commando. I feel like maybe I should have used the shade Low Key. Low Key shade would have been pretty too, I think. That one has a slightly more pink tone than this one. This one is more like a brick orangey color, so maybe I could just layer it over. This is the shade Low Key. I did Commando and then I did Low Key over it. Done with the look. So now I have some tattoos. I'm gonna choose some, put it on myself, and then show the final look. So here is my final ABG look. Wow, this tattoo looks so cool. It feels so cool. I had a lot of fun doing this vlog and just why I love doing the different makeup looks. And it just looks so nice and cool. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and bye!